Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing two Wandering straight pours. I originally intended for these to be like side pieces to the last painting I did, but for some reason the colors turned out like a little bit different. I still loved them though. They both turned out really cool, but just not quite matching to the other ones. I think I used a different black in the other painting. These are my colors that I'll be using. They're pretty much the same colors I had in the last painting, except for the black's like a different brand, I believe. But I'm starting with the Harvest Gold, and then the Psych, TLP Psych. And then I do black after that just to kind of bring that color out a little bit more. And that's the Liquitex Green Gray, and that's the Pearl Sea Green. That is Phthalo green, and that's copper. And then the Harvest Gold. I didn't use the other TLP in this one. That's my pearl mix. My pearl mix is, and then I just repeat the colors, but my pearl mix is mixed with Vallejo Pearl Medium and Liquitex Unbleached Titanium, I believe. And then I put a couple scoops of satin enamel and beige in there. Not sure if that does anything, but I just like to use it. So yeah, I'm almost done filling the cups, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video. This is a short one. I just wanted to show these pieces because I really liked the turnout of them. In this first pour, I was really bummed because you can really see the pour well, but my head got in the way and makes it blurry, so you can't really see the end of it. But anyways, sorry about that. All right, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Put some music on. Please comment, subscribe, like my video, and all that good stuff. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.